Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're talking about the best index cards 5x8 ruled. The MSKKSM colored index cards set that's taking study and organization to the next level. If you're a student, a teacher, or a professional who thrives on color-coded organization, this set of index cards might just be your new best friend. You get 120 cards in total, perfectly sized at 5x8 inches. They come in 6 eye-catching colors: pink, yellow, blue, green, purple, and cream. Each color has 20 sheets, giving you a neat balance of variety and uniformity for sorting your subjects, topics, or projects. Let's start with the paper quality. These aren't your average flimsy note cards. MSKKSM has crafted them from professional-grade 160 GSM paper cardstock. That means they're thicker, smoother, and far more durable than standard cards. Whether you're writing with pencil, ballpoint, gel pen, or even using highlighters, the ink won't bleed through. These cards are built to handle repeated flipping, erasing, and annotating. Now, let's talk usability. The ruled lines on each card make note-taking structured and neat, which is perfect for creating flashcards, study notes, or quick project outlines. Because of their large 5x8 size, you have plenty of space to write detailed points without feeling cramped. That makes them great for complex topics, essay outlines, or even presentation notes. The color variety is another major advantage. You can assign each color to a different subject, chapter, or category. For example, use blue for definitions, green for examples, and pink for formulas. This kind of visual organization helps improve recall and learning efficiency. Plus, the colors make your workspace more vibrant and engaging, which is always a bonus when studying or working long hours. Let's look at who these cards are ideal for. If you're in school, they're perfect for studying vocabulary, preparing for tests, or creating revision summaries. Teachers can use them for classroom activities, quick assessments, or creative learning games. In an office, they're fantastic for brainstorming, project planning, or jotting down to-do lists. They even make a great addition to creative projects like scrapbooks, recipe collections, or journal inserts. Another subtle but important feature is the sturdiness of the card edges. They resist curling and fraying, which means you can store and reuse them without worrying about them getting damaged easily. The consistency of the ruling across all cards also keeps your notes uniform and tidy. When it comes to presentation, MSKKSM has done a solid job. The pack arrives well organized, color separated, and sealed to prevent bending during shipping. It's ready to use right out of the box. No prep, no cutting, no waste. To sum up, the MSKKSM 5x8 colored index cards are the perfect blend of practicality and quality. They're large enough for detailed notes, durable enough for repeated use, and colorful enough to make your studying or organizing more efficient and enjoyable. Whether you're studying for exams, teaching a class, or managing multiple projects, these index cards will keep your workflow clear, color-coded, and creative. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell so you don't miss our next deep dive into the best tools for smarter productivity.